Did you know that the carbon cycle is Earth's natural thermostat, regulating our climate and sustaining life? Imagine a world where the delicate balance of carbon is disrupted, a world where every breath, every drop of rain, and every green leaf tells a story of life and interconnection. Our journey today uncovers the intricate process that makes life on Earth possible through photosynthesis, respiration, and decomposition, while also revealing how human activities have shifted this natural balance. At its core, this cycle is nature's way of recycling the fundamental element of life. In forests and fields, plants perform photosynthesis, capturing carbon dioxide and sunlight to create energy and fuel growth. This process transforms carbon dioxide into oxygen and organic compounds, building the foundation for life on our planet. But the story does not end here. Animals, too, depend on this cycle. Through respiration, living creatures, inclusive of us humans, release carbon dioxide back into the air. Then, in the intricate dance of life and decay, decomposition takes center stage as microbes and fungi break down dead matter, returning carbon into the soil and atmosphere. This cyclic process is essential not just for sustaining life, but also for maintaining Earth's climate. When balanced, the cycle provides a stable, life-supporting environment. However, an escalating conflict has emerged. Since the Industrial Revolution, we have witnessed a dramatic rise in atmospheric carbon dioxide levels from roughly 280 parts per million to over 420 parts per million in recent years. Human activities, such as the burning of fossil fuels and rampant deforestation, have thrown this delicate equilibrium off kilter. Today, forests that once served as massive carbon sinks now struggle with their reduced capacity. In fact, deforestation contributes to nearly 11% of global greenhouse gas emissions, releasing stored carbon and diminishing nature's ability to absorb harmful CO2. Consider that our oceans hold about 50 times more carbon than the atmosphere, acting as a giant reservoir that regulates climate on a global scale. This natural safeguard is now under pressure as human-induced emissions escalate and divert the course of the carbon cycle. Moreover, industrial processes and energy production have inflated global carbon emissions, with billions of tons of CO2 released into an already overburdened system. Each statistic serves as a stark reminder of the profound impact human choices have on our planet. Despite these challenges, there is a turning point, a message of hope and responsibility for every high school student and future scientist listening. The scientific principles underlying the carbon cycle demonstrate that life and climate are interconnected. Through learning and awareness, we can understand not only the mechanics of photosynthesis and decomposition, but also the importance of preserving these natural processes. Forests sequester approximately 25% of human carbon emissions annually, underscoring their role as nature's own climate regulators. When we appreciate this interconnected system, we recognize that protecting the carbon cycle is not a distant scientific goal, but an immediate responsibility. As we journey through the delicate interplay of life processes, it becomes clear that our future depends on balance. Educational insights reveal that every act of saving energy, protecting forests, and reducing emissions contributes to maintaining this natural cycle. Sustainable practices in our daily lives can help restore and preserve an essential mechanism that supports life across our planet. By understanding how photosynthesis, respiration, and decomposition work in tandem, we appreciate how life thrives through the steady recycling of carbon. In closing, remember that the Earth's carbon cycle is not merely a scientific concept, it is the pulse of our planet. Each process, from the smallest leaf to the vast ocean depths, matters in the struggle for a balanced climate. We are all stewards of this fragile system, charged with the task of fostering a sustainable, vibrant future. Understanding and protecting the carbon cycle is essential for maintaining Earth's climate balance and ensuring a sustainable future.